Today we learn quiz about animals. Let's start. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Is it option A, tiger? Option B, lion? Or option C, wolf? It is option B, lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lions can roar really loud like thunderstorms. They live in prides where they play, hunt, and care for each other. Which of these big animals has a long trunk? Option A, rhinoceros. Option B, elephant. Or option C, buffalo. It is option B, elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Elephants can live up to 700 pounds with their trunks. They also have big ears that they use to keep them cool. Which of these sea creatures has 8 arms and 3 hearts? Option A, octopus. Option B, manta ray. Or option C, seahorse. It is option A, octopus. Octopus has 8 arms and 3 hearts. An octopus can change its color to hide. Which bird can see really far? Option A, eagle. Option B, hummingbird. Or option C, owl. It is option A, eagle. Eagle can see really far. Eagles have super sharp eyes to see far away. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? Option A, tiger. Option B, cheetah. Or option C, wolf. It is option B, cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. A cheetah can run really fast, like a race cop. Which animal has a big mouth with lots of teeth? Option A, snake. Option B, turtle. Or option C, crocodile. It is option C, crocodile. Crocodile has a big mouth with lots of teeth. Crocodiles have big and strong jaws to chomp their food. Which animal looks like a horse with stripes? Option A, jaguar. Option B, bull. Or option C, zebra. It is option C, Zebra. Zebra looks like a horse. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their body for protection from predators. Which animal has orange and black stripes? Option A, tiger. Option B, jaguar. Or option C, giraffe. It is option A, tiger. Tiger has orange and black stripes. Tigers have big paws with sharp claws for catching prey. Which animal can change colors like magic? Option A, hedgehog. Option B, chameleon. Or option C, owl. It is option B, chameleon. Chameleon can change colors like magic. Chameleons have the ability to change colors to hide. They also have long tongues to catch insects. Which animal has spots and a really long neck? Option A, kangaroo. Option B, elephant. Or option C, giraffe. It is option C, giraffe. Giraffe has spots and a really long neck. Giraffes use their long necks to reach high leaves. Which animal has a shell on its back? Option A, starfish. Option B, turtle. Or option C, crocodile. It is option B, turtle. Turtle has a shell on its back. Turtles have hard shells to protect themselves. They can also swim in water and walk on land. Which of these animals is highly intelligent and can learn sign language to communicate with humans? Option A, panda. Option B, gorilla. Or option C, bear. It is option B, gorilla. Gorilla can learn sign language. Aside from eating bananas, gorillas use their big hands to hug their family and swing on trees. Which of these furry animals can stand on two legs? Option A, bear. Option B, moose. Or option C, buffalo. It is option A, bear. Bear can stand on two legs. Bears also have fluffy fur to keep them warm in winters. Which bird has colorful feathers and can also talk? Option A, hummingbird. Option B, falcon. Or option C, parrot. It is option C, parrot. Parrot has colorful feathers. Parrots can talk and mimic human words. Which bird has big eyes and makes hooting sounds at night? Option A, falcon. Option B, owl. Or option C, bat. It is option B, owl. Owl has big eyes and makes hooting sounds at night. Owls have big eyes to see at night.